This is not merely a house, it is a dialogue between civilizations. Where Moroccan Riad tradition meets modern Mediterranean restraint, a new definition of eco-luxury emerges. Every wall breathes history, every courtyard invites light, and every material tells a story of sustainability elevated to art. This home is proof that cultural fusion, when executed with precision, can create not just beauty, but meaning. Stay with me, because every space reveals a deeper layer of intention.
Welcome to Creative Abode, where the art of design meets life. Explore unique architecture, innovative interiors, and inspiring spaces. Transform your home, discover new trends, and indulge in beautiful aesthetics. Let's create spaces that reflect your style, comfort, and creativity. Make yourself at home, and let your imagination wander.
The front facade establishes the home's identity with quiet confidence. Smooth lime plaster walls meet carved stone arches, creating a balance between Mediterranean minimalism and Moroccan craftsmanship. The entrance is deliberately understated, framed by geometric screens and natural greenery, allowing texture and shadow to do the storytelling. Solar integration is invisible yet intentional, reinforcing sustainability without disrupting aesthetics. This is architecture that doesn't shout, it invites, promising refinement before a single step inside. The living room unfolds as the heart of the home, inspired by the traditional Riad courtyard concept. Light pours in from above, dancing across tile-lacked walls and handcrafted zellige accents. Modern Mediterranean furnishings float effortlessly within the space, softened by Moroccan textiles and warm brass details. The layout encourages airflow, reflection, and calm, luxury defined not by excess, but by balance. This room doesn't demand attention, it earns it through atmosphere and restraint. The master bedroom is a sanctuary of stillness. Earth-toned plaster walls and natural linen textures create a cocoon of comfort, while subtle Moroccan geometry adds cultural depth without visual noise. Arched openings frame courtyard views, blurring the boundary between inside and out. Every element serves rest, acoustic softness, natural ventilation, and a palette designed to calm the senses. This is luxury redefined as emotional well-being rather than opulence. The kitchen merges functionality with refined artistry. Limestone countertops and minimalist cabinetry reflect Mediterranean clarity, while handcrafted tilework introduces Moroccan soul. Arched niches replace conventional storage, transforming utility into design. Natural light enhances every surface, reinforcing sustainability and warmth. This is not a kitchen designed to impress guests, it is designed to inspire daily ritual, where cooking becomes a sensory experience rooted in tradition and modern living. The mezzanine floats above the living space, offering visual connection without intrusion. Geometric metal railings echo Moroccan patterns, while clean lines and open sightlines maintain Mediterranean simplicity. This transitional space serves as a pause between levels, a place to observe light, movement, and architecture in dialogue. It reinforces the home's vertical rhythm, proving that circulation spaces can be as intentional as destinations. Inspired by the Moroccan hammam, the bathroom transforms daily routine into ritual. Smooth tile-lacked walls, patterned tile floors, and sculptural stone fixtures create a tactile environment grounded in tradition. Modern proportions and minimalist detailing keep the space fresh and uncluttered. Natural light and water become central elements, reinforcing sustainability while delivering spa-level indulgence. This is where heritage meets serenity. The front yard is a curated introduction to the home's philosophy. Native Mediterranean planting, gravel paths, and a modest water feature establish a sense of arrival without excess. Moroccan influences appear subtly, allowing nature to remain the focal point. Sustainability guides every choice, from drought-resistant greenery to passive cooling through shade. It's an outdoor space designed to slow you down before stepping inside. The rooftop is a celebration of open-air living. Low seating, reclaimed wood pergolas, and panoramic views create a modern interpretation of Riad terraces. Solar elements blend seamlessly into the design, proving that sustainability and luxury can coexist effortlessly. As day transitions into night, the rooftop becomes a social sanctuary, rooted in tradition, elevated by contemporary comfort. The working room is designed for clarity and focus. Natural materials, filtered daylight, and restrained ornamentation foster concentration without sterility. Moroccan detailing appears with discipline, adding warmth without distraction. This space reflects a modern understanding of productivity, where environment directly influences performance. Work here feels intentional, balanced, and deeply human. The backyard reimagines the traditional Riad garden as a private retreat. Enclosed walls create intimacy, while water, greenery, and textured surfaces engage the senses. Modern lounge furniture complements Moroccan tile detailing, blending comfort with cultural depth. This is a space for reflection, conversation, and quiet luxury, removed from the outside world yet deeply connected to nature. This home is more than a fusion of styles, it is a manifesto for future living. By honoring Moroccan craftsmanship and Mediterranean restraint, it proves that sustainability can be elegant, and luxury can be meaningful. Architecture like this doesn't follow trends, it sets standards. And once you experience it, ordinary design simply isn't enough anymore.